video. Today we are in Borac. We are in the airport. We are actually early in the airport. This is it's Mother's Day. Siya nga pinigil ko. Hindi ko kasi Mom, say hi.
Ay, hello.
Dad, say hi.
Hello.
Alright. So, opo.
Apat, saka naka-boarding na.
Anong oras?
11 o'clock.
Okay guys, look at that.
Sabi ko sa...
Look at that. 1, 2, 3, and then a bag, and then one bag.
Hindi naman ni...
Ilan ang pila kay Sari?
And we're just walking because we're gonna pila. I know that's not funny. I am so excited to go on the plane because I already know I haven't been on a plane since I was born. So because there's pandemic, but now there's no. So I could go.
Sasapit yung...
Mahulog ka.
Babaan na natin naman. Para mamaya hindi na kamera.
Mami. Okay, I think they're putting down the maletas now. My dad got his bag. That's mine because it has this. This is my mom because it has a cat. This is my dad because it has another suitcase. But it's just like that. Yeah. Look at that, so many. So my dad is, I don't know what my dad is doing. But mine is just so cute. These are the plushies. My mom says Choco Cat from the Sanrio one. I think, but I don't know why. Do not know why. Why does he have like a flower necklace? Okay, so I'm just. I don't want.
Kaya mo? Kasi...
That's mine. Mine is huli. Huli sa akin.
Ito. Ina-add naman yun.
Ina-add yun.
It's kind of loud here. Okay, guys. We are gonna wake now, and the time is 9:27, and our flight is 11:20.
O, di ka tingnan mo muna ito. Maaga pa naman eh.
Ano ka pa?
Ano ka nyo dito?
So my mom just gonna get the membership. Like she's gonna be a member because my dad said so. She'll do it.
Pumunta kayo.
Well, I don't know. It's gonna be kind of long, so maybe I'm gonna wait. Maybe I'm gonna make. But I don't want to leave yet. If I exit this, it will all be gone. Should I make a part 2 or? I think I should. I also think I shouldn't. What should I do? Okay, now the line is long. Now the line is long. We go somewhere.
Ano ka sa mga wakit?
Gonna see?
Focus ka.
Where am I? That's economic. This is that's me. That's my dad. That's my mom. Okay.
Maybe.
idea niya. Hindi, pwede naman tumili dun. Saka
So maybe I'll just post this for a bit, guys. So, oops, I forgot to oh yeah, I forgot to say to y'all that I think this gonna take hours of review.
At yahoo.com.
So maybe I'm just gonna post this, and then I'm just gonna make another video, and then I will post it for you.
Email ipapasok.
I know my nails. What it became pink because the blue was so light. Now it became like this. This is the color now. Look.
Nangihingi ng details.
Kiss ka na
See
next
ya in my part 2.
Kaya yung gawin yun. Yung matrabat.
Also, I'm just gonna make
Yung ano sa'yo yung
more
anak
parts
niya na
because I'm gonna
naka-triplex
of
ka.
course. I'm just gonna put it
May
in
libre
there
ka
because I'm just gonna do the like when we're on vacation, yeah, like that. So yeah. So yeah, that's it. So bye guys.